Today we will be discussing online onboarding through the Manager portal. First, be sure to log in to your Manager portal. Once you're logged in, locate the search bar and type in New Hire. Your screen should appear like this. Please note, you may complete as little or as much detail as you like, but make sure all boxes that are highlighted in red are completed. From the Use Onboarding dropdown, be sure to select This employee will be completing the onboarding process via web to activate and fully utilize the electronic onboarding process. The addresses indicated in the personal email field is where the employee will receive their new hire paperwork. So it is very important to ensure this address is accurate and the one they check regularly. Any field description displayed as a blue hyperlink can be clicked on to display available options for that field. For example, if you click Position, a box will appear and you can see all positions that are available for your company. If a new job title or other option is needed, please contact our office in advance of processing the new hire to have the code added. If you are unable to do so, let us know of any update or correction needed, and we will update the employee record once they have completed their entries. It is very important to note that the benefit group should always be processed with a 1 to match them to the correct company benefits plan. You can do this by putting 1 in the box, or you can click Benefit Group and a pop-up will appear again, and you can select the number 1. Under Pay Details, select your pay group. Then select your pay method. This will be between salary, hourly, commission, driver. However, you will usually select either salary or hourly. Then enter their pay rate. For this example, their pay rate basis will be yearly since they are salaried. If they are hourly employees, you will then want to select hourly. Please note, when entering the employee's payment detail, the standard hours represent the hours per pay period, and the default timesheet hours are only required for salaried employees. Since in this case we are entering a salaried employee, we will put 40 hours in this box. Please be aware that the auto timesheet should not be selected for any employee. This removes the ability to allocate time to various codes and departments or adjust hours for any prorated time. Once all data has been entered and reviewed for accuracy, click Save and then Done at the bottom of the screen. This will generate the new hire notification to the employee.